How to make cockroach video on your Android device. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this type of videos. So you have to watch the video till the end without wasting much more time. Let's get started. So guys, what you need to do here is that you have to go to Play Store, and then here you have to search for one application, that is Snapchat. Okay, you have to download this application, but if you have already installed on your device, just go back, and then here let me just show you. Just open Snapchat, and then here what you have to do is that it's very pretty simple. You just need to select one filter here. Okay, just select one filter here, and then now what you need to do is that you have to swipe up like this. Okay, you have to swipe up like this. After swiping up, what you can do to get the cockroach filter, you just need to click on the search bar on the top, and then here you have to write cockroach. Okay, and then here you can see you'll get lots of cockroach filter. Just tap one, and then here you can see. So it's a pretty cool. So I hope you can just make video like this. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.